Surface finish is a crucial aspect of the manufacturing industry, as it refers to the texture, roughness, and overall appearance of a product surface. Achieving the desired surface finish is essential for ensuring the product's functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal. The process of achieving the desired surface finish involves various techniques such as polishing, grinding, sanding, and coating. The surface finish can be measured using different methods, including visual inspection, roughness measurement, and profilometry. In the manufacturing industry, surface finish plays a critical role in determining the quality of the final product. For instance, in the automotive industry, the surface finish of a car's body panels can affect its aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. Similarly, in the medical industry, the surface finish of medical implants can impact their biocompatibility and longevity. Therefore, manufacturers must pay close attention to the surface finish of their products to ensure they meet the required standards and specifications. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in custom metal fabrication, welding, and machining services. The company has over 60 years of experience in the industry and has built a reputation for delivering high-quality products and services. Surface finish is a crucial aspect of Berkness Company's manufacturing process, as it ensures the products meet the required standards and specifications. The company uses various techniques such as polishing, grinding, and coating to achieve the desired surface finish for its products. Berkness Company understands the importance of surface finish in the manufacturing industry and is committed to delivering products that meet the highest standards of quality. The company's team of experts has the knowledge and expertise to provide customized solutions that meet the unique needs of each client. Whether it's a small or large project, Berkness Company is dedicated to delivering products that exceed expectations. If you're interested in learning more about surface finish and how it relates to Berkness Company's manufacturing process, you can visit the company's Contact Us page on their website. The page provides various ways to get in touch with the company, including phone, email, and a contact form. You can also visit the company's website to learn more about their services and capabilities. With Berkness Company, you can be assured of high-quality products and services that meet your unique needs. FAQs. 1. What is surface finish in manufacturing? Surface finish refers to the texture, roughness, and overall appearance of a manufactured product's surface. It is an important aspect of manufacturing as it can affect the product's functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal. 2. How is surface finish measured in manufacturing? Surface finish is measured using various instruments such as profilometers, roughness testers, and surface comparators. These instruments measure the surface's roughness, waviness, and other parameters to determine the surface finish. 3. Why is surface finish important in manufacturing? Surface finish is important in manufacturing as it can affect the product's performance, functionality, and overall quality. A smooth surface finish can reduce friction, improve corrosion resistance, and enhance the product's appearance. On the other hand, a rough surface finish can cause wear and tear, reduce efficiency, and compromise the product's quality. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.